because you were love. What will you give me when I love you? Good luck, it's really painful and I'll give it to you. Let's be